Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Meteorologist Dave Downey here. We got a lot going on in the next week to 10 days. April starts Saturday, and with that, some interesting weather that's going to happen over the next week. Tonight, getting down to the 20s, some snow north of Highway 20. We'll track that, plus the storm chances we've been talking about for the past couple of days, late Thursday into Friday. And of course, Friday, we've talked about that chance for strong to severe storms. We'll look at that potential as well. Clear skies today, though, just after 4 o'clock. Some light snow skirted the area. Didn't get any accumulations down there. I think it pretty much melted as it was falling or melted as it was hitting the ground. Meanwhile, the weather maker we're going to track Thursday and Friday, you can see it really clearly off the west coast right now. See it swirling out there northwest of San Francisco. That's what we're going to track over the next 48 to 72 hours. Clear skies tonight. Take a jacket. Of course, a pretty nice day, though. Highs near 50. We'll dip down to the upper 20s overnight tonight. Colder than that to the north, though. That's because a cold front will work its way through. 18 in Fort Dodge. Tomorrow getting to around 40 degrees, so about a dozen degrees below average for Wednesday. Look at Thursday, though, low to middle 60s, and Friday close to 70 degrees. But of course, that does come with the chance of some storms. All right, we'll pack everything into one here with Futurecast. Start it tonight. Here comes cold front number 1. Some snow showers right behind the front, pretty much right along Highway 20. The winds aren't too bad tonight. These could drop visibilities for a short amount of time, maybe a trace of an inch of snow, so a dusting maybe from Fort Dodge to Waterloo, Iowa Falls. All that's out of here by tomorrow morning. Filtered sunshine tomorrow afternoon, partly cloudy skies, maybe mostly sunny with highs near 40. Then things will change. Okay, so a lot of things are going to start popping on the map here. The plot is not going to change. That's temperatures. Lows Thursday morning right around 30. Temperature will jump 30 degrees throughout Thursday. Took the cloud layer off here. This layer with the colors now is dew points. When you see the greens there, those are dew points in the 50s to lower 60s. So some moist, not humid air, but definitely more moist air. The moistest air we've seen, or the most humid air we've seen thus far this year. That pushes highs Thursday into the lower 60s. Low pressure forms in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Nebraska. You can see how far north that warm front lifts. So we're going to see some scattered showers and thunderstorms pretty much along and north of Highway 20 overnight into Friday. Then that low pressure will start deepening and moving to the east. This model that I'm showing you with the scattered dots of showers and the dew points here only goes out until Friday at 7 a.m. Tonight on Local 5 News at 5, 6, and 10, we'll have a look to Friday at 1 p.m. And then, of course, the closer we get to the event, the longer we can go out. But this is as far as this short-range model with the highest resolution is going to go for now. There is, of course, some discrepancies as to basically how warm it's going to be on Friday and how big that warm area is going to be. So both two main models, I brought this graphic up on Sunday. The American model has a low pressure system at 1 p.m. on Friday near Sioux City. That would make for some more widespread severe weather. I don't quite buy that, how far northwest that low is, but I think where the European model has the low is a little bit too far south. If that happens, the severe weather threat is primarily only in the southeast quadrant of the state. It's probably going to be somewhere in the middle. That's why the Storm Prediction Center has outlined basically I-35 and east as possible areas for severe weather on Friday. The best chance for severe weather right now looks like it'll be out of the viewing area, the Quad Cities, Cedar Rapids, Burlington, like we said, that southeast quadrant of the state. Of course, plenty of time to keep an eye on things. This event's still about 3 days away. All right, tonight some snow showers north of Highway 20, a little breezy, gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Wednesday will feel kind of wintry, especially in the morning. Wind chills in the upper teens to low 20s, highs 12 to 13 degrees below average, around 40. Whole plumbing and heating 10-day forecast, so we'll watch for that chance for strong storms on Friday east of I-35. Exactly where and exactly what types of severe weather that will be figured out over the next day and a half or so. I think most of us on Thursday, actually with the way things are trending, will stay dry, especially south of I-80. Saturday back a little bit cooler, but then right back close to 70 on Sunday. Potentially another system to watch next Monday and Tuesday.